Hey guys, so I'm going to be showing you guys my Sipsby for March, and again, Sipsby is a tea subscription box you can get every month. If you want to get $5 off your first box, use the code down below. If you hear stuff in the background, don't mind, that's Hunter playing. So yeah, it always says your name on it. It says made for Kaitlyn. Let me make sure this is in focus. There we go. It says spring will be here before you know it, Kaitlyn. But while the cold still lingers, take advantage of the time spent inside by getting lost in a good book or starting a new project. All with a cup of tea in hand. So it shows what we got in here. So the first one that I'm going to mention is the Dandelion Mocha Mint. And this is by a brand that I've tried before. Ticino, I think it's called. This is caffeine-free. It's roasted cocoa powder and peppermint leaves with a mix of dark coffee notes of chicory and dandelion roots for a divine blend that helps with digestion, gut health, and inflammation. Oh my gosh, cool. Okay, well, we're going to try that one out tonight, and then I'll go over and show you guys the rest of the teas. Okay, so Matt and I are going to try out this kind tonight, and I'm actually really excited. I'm very curious because the dandelions sound interesting, but the mocha mint sounds amazing. So I actually used 2 of them, and I put one up in here when I brewed it, and then one in the cup when I brewed it. And then when it was done, I stuck them both in here. So it said to steep for like 5 to 7 minutes, so I'm going to let it do that. And then I'm going to add, I have a little bit of half and half. I don't normally buy half and half, but I'm using this for a recipe, and there's a little extra. So it does recommend sticking some like half and half or something in there. So yeah, I'm going to let it steep for a bit and we're going to try it. Hunter's out doing his little thing. I made some tea, so I'm going to have Matt try some. So that is the Dandelion Mocha Mint, and I added a little bit of half and half to it. I'm going to try some in just a minute. Does it need anything? You need more half and half?
It needs some kind of sweetener.
Does it? Okay.
It's very earthy.
Is it?
Yeah, hint of mint, and then kind of an earthy flavor.
Do you need some sugar in it?
I think it needs a sweetener because I like the sweet.
Yeah, I'll be right back. So I added sugar. How does it taste? Woo! You okay? Hunter just knocked over Matt's building, but I'm going to test it out. Wow. I like it.
It's fine. I think you probably like it a little bit more than me.
I think it tastes like a mint, kind of a watered down mint chocolate, hot chocolate. You know, I like it.
Yeah.
Might be one of my favorites that has come in here, that's for sure. Alright, so next up is the Sweet Ginger Peach Black Tea. Now, I'm not a fan of ginger, and I mentioned that in my last video. But I actually kind of want to give this a try because it is a black tea, and my best friend Brittany says that she recommends, these, so I'll try. I'm definitely going to try that out. If I ever get any that I'm not a big fan of, Matt always drinks it, but we have 4 of those, so I'm going to try that out. It's probably not in this video, but another day. Next up we have Chica Chai, Original Chai, and I do like chai, so I'm looking forward to trying this out as well, and it has a really good thing on back where it shows you kind of recipe-wise, like how to make it, how to brew it, and stuff like that. Alright, of course we got our reusable tea bags, if we get any loose leaf tea in here. And then, the Tea Kitten is one of my favorite brands too that I get from Sipsby. And this one is the Pink Citrus Magic, and it comes with 4 servings. So I am very curious how this one tastes. I think Brittany got the same one, and I will be trying this one out soon. I will definitely do a video on taste testing this one because I'm very curious. So yeah, I'll see you guys when I taste test this one. Oh cool, so this is, it says brew your Chica Chai Best Cup And it comes with brewing loose leaf chai tea, and it shows you like different ways to do it. Ooh, that quick chai latte looks amazing. I'm probably going to be doing it like that for sure. Yum. Hey guys, so it is actually a few days later. Don't mind my makeup, it's kind of wearing off a little bit, but I'm going to try out that tea another day, and in my other Sipsby box that comes next month, I'm going to tell you guys how I like that tea and if I tried any of the other ones as well, so I'll keep you guys updated. So this month's box I'm very happy about. It's probably one of my favorites, and I'm excited to see what next month's box is. So yeah, if you guys enjoyed this video, be sure you hit that like button and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Toodaloo.